Hi guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys my favorite books about pumpkins for the fall season for your toddler. Penguin's curiosity about fall sends him on a journey to a faraway farm, but his younger brother Pumpkin is too little to come along. Can Penguin find the perfect way to bring the joys of the season back home so Pumpkin can join the fun? Fall is a wonderful time of the year. The air becomes cooler and the leaves start to change color from green to vivid reds, orange, yellows, and browns. Fall also means going to the pumpkin patch to choose pumpkins to decorate for Halloween. Martha E. H. Rustad in her children's book Fall Pumpkins, Orange and Plump takes the young reader on a journey to learn how pumpkins are planted, tended, and grown. The story follows a young boy as he plants pumpkin seeds in the spring and follows the seeds' growth through the fall harvest. Duck and Goose Find the Pumpkin by Tad Hills. Duck and Goose look everywhere for a pumpkin, in the apple tree, in the leaf pile, inside a hollow log. Where will they find one? New York Times best-selling author and illustrator Tad Hills brings our favorite feathered friends out to find a big, beautiful pumpkin. Join Mouse from If You Give a Mouse a Cookie as he decorates all the pumpkins in the patch in this sweet board book from Lauren Muraf and Felicia Bond. Mouse is excited for fall because that means it is time to decorate pumpkins, but one is missing. Where could it have gone? Guys, this one is my absolute favorite. It's called The Pumpkin Patch Parable. This charming story for children illustrates how a loving farmer can turn a simple pumpkin into a simply glorious sight. In the same way, God's transforming love can fill each of our hearts with joy and light. Liz Curtis Higgs created this parable as a way to share the good news with her own precious children each harvest season, and now with children everywhere.